Okay, we got a 1965 Plymouth Valient station wagon. This was actually a very common color for this car back then. It's like beige color. And here we got a 1965 Valient station wagon. It's got a 225 slant 6. Got your single master cylinder and you know, no power steering. So again, 225 slant 6, 195 horsepower. Station wagon was the SUV at the time, and to tell you the truth, they're pretty practical. Sometimes you had the 6-passenger station wagon, which was 2 bench seats, and you know, today you don't even see, you know, a bench front seat because of the airbag system. You know, it doesn't work like that. Before, you used to be able to put 3 and 3. Really, sometimes you would put 4 or 5. You know, you weren't supposed to. Nobody wore seat belts back then. This was a 6-passenger. You would, you know, if it was a 9-passenger or 8-passenger, you'd flip the seat up this way. Sometimes you had them going this way. Windows roll down differently. Sometimes there were window cranks. I think this is a window crank. I'm not sure. But they're pretty damn practical. Feel like basically like a covered pickup truck. You know, it rides like a car. You know, vent windows again. So, got your air conditioning. You can pop those vent windows open. As long as you're going 3-4 miles an hour, you got a nice breeze right in front of your face. It's freaking great, you know. And 153624 on the firing order on the slant 6.
I don't know if that might have had a slant 4 in it. This was the old slant 6 they ran forever.
You can really, these things would really run a long time. They're very, very easy. They had a lot of torque in them too. That's the other thing. Because basically that's really where you need it. Bottom end, just take off a little bit. They cruise down the highway, no problem. I guess something like this wouldn't be good if you live up in the Rocky Mountains or something. You're going up a long hill and you got a big load back there. But if you're fairly flat area, it don't matter. You know, once you get rolling, you're fine.